Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by creating the form inside Visual Studio so you can work visually. Open a Windows Forms app project and add a new form if needed. Once done, place core controls, text box for input, button to trigger actions, label for feedback, directly on the designer. Make sure to name controls with meaningful identifiers like txtname and btn submit for later code clarity. You'll also configure basic properties such as size, text, and anchor now so layout behaves predictably as you build the logic. You now connect UI to behavior by wiring event handlers. Double-click the control to create a click method and write the code that runs when the user interacts. For example, validate text box. Text to ensure required input is present, then parse or transform data as needed. Use conditional guards and return early on validation failure so the flow stays simple. Also wrap risky operations with try, catch, log, or display succinct error text, and use meaningful variable names so you can revisit this code easily later. You finish by running and testing the form thoroughly. Press F5 and try normal use, missing input, and edge cases to confirm behavior. Make sure tab order is logical, set accept button for enter and cancel button for escape, and tweak control anchoring so resizing doesn't break layout. Once stable, refactor repeated code into helper methods and add comments for clarity. If something fails, use breakpoints and the output window to trace exceptions. A quick troubleshooting tip: enable Just My Code and step into the problematic handler to find the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.